Samla Ribakor Mawlong kabala pendep eka training hikai kam skills training na Emporium Skill Training Institute donbosco Youth Center lajam khra kala yo kam ha luxury international hospitality chain ha Dolenong Maldives. Kami na Shillong ha kasan tarik naitung ban her sha Maldives ban sedang trei hangta. Ka Emporium Skill Training Institute donbosco Youth Center ka kitbok kitruang ya ka Samla Ribakor Mawlong ban kiu irat sha prang ha ka jing jongka.
Hi everyone, I hope you have a great day. My name is Ribakor Mawlong. I'm 19 years old. I am from Meghalaya, Shillong. I just completed my higher secondary school from Fernando Speech and Hearing Center. After that, I joined my training in Imperium Shillong. Within 60 days of training, I have been placed in Maldives. This is my offer letter. And this is my visa. I will travel soon. If anybody have interested in this hospitality, cruise line and aviation, you kindly join Imperium Shillong. Thank you.